to find or how to check link you have visited on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you your link you have visited on your Instagram history from the beginning. So it's so easy and quick. Let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon and click on your activity. Now all you need to do is click on link you have visited. See which link you have visited recently. Now they're gonna show you a list of all the links you have visited on this account on Instagram. So this is my this is 2 links. Just 2 days ago I visit those 2 links, and they're gonna show up from the oldest to the newest, and this is it. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.